Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be my thoughts on a South African brand called Naturally Africa or an African brand called Naturally Africa. So today I'm just going to be sharing with you guys my experience. I've been using this off camera. The brand did send me these products, so let's get into my thoughts on using the brand. So they sent me 3 products. They sent me the coal defining cream. This is infused with jojoba and vegetable protein, and it's for beautiful frizz-free coals. They also sent me a refreshing spray, and this is the coal refresher spray that's infused with vegetable oil and protein, or rather infused with vegetable protein. It's for dry and frizzy hair. And the last product that they sent me is their hair and oil scalp. So I'm going to go through each one and what my experience was using them. I'm going to start off with the coal cream. And this promises to moisturize and define coals with added benefits of natural derived ingredients, leaving your scalp smooth as well as hydrated. A little really goes a long way with this product, and I found that it is a cream. My hair doesn't really like cream, so this performed just okay for me. It gave me day 3 hair, which was really nice. And as I said, a little goes a long way. I applied it as I always do in sections, and even during winter, it really did quite a good job. I was impressed because it is a cream that gave me day 3 hair. This coal cream is vegan. It also is 99% naturally derived, and it's also cruelty free as well. And I'll put in the description box whether this is Curly Girl approved or not. Now let's get into the refresher spray, because you guys know I'm not really a refresher spray kind of girl, and I found that this spray was a little bit different to most refreshing sprays that I've used, because I did find that there was like a bit of oil infused into this refresher spray. It's a non-greasy formula to help keep your coals hydrated and glossy, and I think that's where I could feel like a bit of a difference. It also says that it instantly softens and adds volume to your hair. So if you're looking for more volume, this is going to do it. I used quite a bit of this. I also found that I didn't need to use it every day because it did make my hair a little bit too oily for me. I think using this for me personally 2 or maybe 3 times a week to refresh. In between, I would use something else, or just water or aloe vera juice to refresh my hair. But this is just me personally. The last one was an oil, and this is infused with the natural blend of vitamin E, tea tree, castor, grapeseed, coconut, and sweet almond oil. And it's for dry hair, for split ends, and it's also scalp care. Now this has a dual function. You can put it on your scalp to help with dry scalp and also stimulate hair growth. And then you can also as well add it onto your hair during the week to help seal in the moisture as well. Thanks for joining me, guys. I know you have seen this in stores. I think you can get this in Clicks as well. And I hope you enjoyed me just sharing my thoughts on using the brand. As always, drop your comments down below and I'll see you again. Take care.